Moorabbin Terminal Station Tango. Expect instrument approaches. Runway 17 left, arrivals and departures east, frequency 118, decimal 1. Runway 17 right, arrivals and departures west, frequency 123, decimal 0. Wind variable at 5 knots, with an occasional tailwind 3 knots. Visibility greater than 10 kilometers. Cloud broken 2,400. Temperature 19er. QNH 1008. First contact with Moorabbin Ground Hotel. Notify and receipt of information. Tango.
Whiskey Lima Alpha on downwind for touch and go.
Whiskey Lima Alpha, follow the Cessna on base.
Whiskey Lima Alpha.
Kilo Echo Uniform turning downwind full stop.
Kilo Echo Uniform, follow the Cessna mid downwind.
Kilo Echo Uniform.
Charlie Yankee, follow Cessna mid to late downwind.
Victor Charlie Yankee.
Thank you, and that preceding traffic's for a full stop.
Victor Charlie Yankee. Whiskey Lima Alpha, turn around.
Whiskey Lima Alpha. Okay, Charlie Papa, Hotel Mike Tango is the current helicopter that's operating at above 100 feet, just in that middle section of the eastern grass.
Okay, Charlie Papa, copy.
Good morning, Charlie. Julie Quaker and Alpha, chase 1%.
17 left.
Please send below 1,500 visual. Join downwind runway 17 left, Charlie, Julie Quaker.
Charlie Yankee, turn downwind.
Turning downwind, Victor Charlie Yankee.
Thank you.
And we're for touch and go, Victor Charlie.
Kilo Hotel Echo, clear to land.
Clear to land, Kilo Hotel Echo.
Victor Charlie Yankee, thanks. Follow the Cessna on base. I've got a chieftain to follow you in.
Victor Charlie Yankee.
Yeah, we got that traffic in sight. Uniform Mike Bravo.
Uniform Mike Bravo, thanks. When you're ready, you can make your crosswind turn to follow them in.
Uniform Mike Bravo. 17 more left if possible.
Okay, that's fine, no problem.
Thank you.
Rabbit Tower, Yankee Zero Oscar.
Yankee Zero Oscar, Moorabbin Tower, g'day, you can descend to 1,500 and start tracking towards the lake downwind for runway 17 left. You're following a Cherokee that's on base.
Descend 1,500 and we'll go with the traffic, Yankee Zero.
And get down.
Good visual approach and yeah, we'll be alright. Thanks, Yankee Zero Oscar.
Cheers.
Okay, Charlie.
Echo Charlie Papa. Uniform Mike Bravo, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, uniform Mike Bravo.
Victor Charlie Yankee, turning downwind, touch and go.
Victor Charlie Yankee, follow the 1900 late downwind and they usually roll through for the full stop.
Copy that, inside Victor Charlie Yankee.
Our uniform Mike Bravo, turning downwind, touch and go.
Uniform Mike Bravo, follow the Cessna on base. Echo Uniform Echo, line up.
Line up, uniform Romeo, runway 17 left for circuit ready, request 5-second delay.
Kill Uniform Romeo, Moorabbin Tower, roger. Uniform Mike Bravo, traffic, Cessna just airborne is departing, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, uniform Mike Bravo.
Oscar Kilo Yankee, traffic for preceding Cessna is remaining in the circuit, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, Oscar Kilo.
Whiskey Golf Romeo, overfly midfield at 700 feet and then make a right circuit for the southern apron. Traffic is a Cessna on base, they'll be free touch and go.
Overfly midfield, 700 short right circuit, copy traffic, Whiskey Golf Romeo. Bravo Tower, uniform Mike Bravo, downwind, early downwind, touch and go.
Uniform Mike Bravo, follow the Cessna lake base.
Uniform Mike Bravo.
Moorabbin Tower, Kilo Echo, ready, 17 left for circuits.
Two stations in there together, Kilo Echo, Moorabbin Tower.
Traffic inside, Kilo Foxtrot November.
Okay, Charlie.
Echo Charlie Papa. Whiskey Golf Romeo, clear to visual approach, southern apron and report on the ground.
Cleared visual, southern, we'll go Whiskey Golf Romeo.
Kilo Uniform Romeo, turning downwind, touch and go.
Kilo Uniform Romeo, followed.
Tower Uniform Mike Bravo, turning downwind, touch and go.
Uniform Mike Bravo, follow Cessna, mid downwind.
Uniform Mike Bravo. Tower Uniform Mike Bravo, turning downwind, touch and go.
Uniform Mike Bravo, follow Cessna light downwind.
Uniform Mike Bravo.
Echo Charlie, prepared traffic, Cessna 2 mile final runway right.
Echo Charlie, Papa.
Kilo Hotel Echo, line up.
Line up, Kilo Hotel, okay.
Kilo Hotel Echo, follow Airborne Cessna, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, Kilo Hotel, okay.
Uniform Mike Bravo, follow Airborne Cessna, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, Uniform Mike Bravo. Echo Charlie, Papa, Golf 1.
Echo Charlie, pass here.
Okay.